Welcome back, guys. It's been a while since I had a video on Pinterest. So basically, we're working on one of the actual housings. Okay, there's this huge opening. It goes on this flip right there, just like that. I'll take that off. I gotta replace that like this. It's hard beyond more. Yeah, take these two bolts out. Oh no, he's using a chrome socket. Oh no, he's using a chrome. Oh, can you guys hear me? I can't find my microphone, so and there's some look-see inside. You're gonna need to go get that. That's bolted in there pretty. So I gotta go get an extension for that. I'll be right back. Gonna probably be ordering up another microphone because my other one is not working. And my other one I can't find. So. There's a lot of hardware in this tractor. Should just be able to. Oh, no, just be able to. Pull that out. Like I was saying, this is a full-on tractor restoration. I'll go get my. Maybe I can use these. Might need to go get my nails and bend this little clip around. I should turn it out. Like I was saying in my previous videos, this is a full-on restoration. No part is being overlooked. And that's why you should subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Because just like that. All we do is pull that pin out. Should just be able to slide all that out. This is your brake system, I believe. Got all the garbage in there. For that. You just come back with that shaft right there. And a really big bolt right there. Finish whipping that. Now, you see stuff like this is probably where leaks are coming from. Is these screws? I mean, they get so stinking brittle over the years. And this whole part, I mean, probably where a leak was come from on this thing. We got a leak back here. You need a chisel and a punch to get the rest out. Looks like it's almost glued. But I need a really big socket to get that guy out. Pretty big. Video. It's way too big. It's either too small, too big, not cracked. But little by little, we'll get this tractor done. Got the tractor for less than 5 months, so running out of time. That ain't too bad. I mean, this thing didn't have a braking issue. I might reuse all the brake parts besides the boot. I did boot, a couple bearings, but the brake parts itself I might just reuse because the brake system did fail. All I didn't have to do, take the tire off and bolt this from the rear end and there. It's not too terribly of a job, unlike the transmission or something. But I'll inspect them. Make sure everything's in spec. It almost looks like this is Preston. Little dude's Preston. Okay, get a hammer. And my big I guess this screw. It's gonna save them a really big punch. See? That's like it's not. Where is it? See, it's just pressed in there, that boot that ripped apart. We got a couple new of these. I only need 2 of them, I believe, on there. 1 for each side. I don't think the front axle has brakes on it. I think it's just a rear brake tractor. because it is a 4-wheel drive tractor, so haven't even started on the front axle yet. Still want to plan on doing getting these done, getting the differential housing done, putting these on, putting the differential, putting on jack stands, do the transmission, do the engine, then start on the axle. But got out of there. I'm going to need really a pretty big socket to get that off, so I'll be right back. This one. Nope. How about that one? Be the one. Nope. Looks like I'm gonna try a couple other places, but I might have to order myself a socket for that. Well, I can't find socket fit that guy right there, so gonna call it a video. I don't know if this will be a part of the restoration series or not. Since the one side, the other side's over there, I need to get these away from here because they're forgot to oil these down, so they're surface rusting really bad. So, but I got the steps all mostly welded up and fixed. There's a whole bunch of cracks there, all cracked. Now I got a fitting for this. Gotta do some work to this tank, and I got LabWorks sending me some micrometers pretty soon for this, so I get my engine guy the measurements he needs, so I get the engine count on the way. I'm probably going to go ahead and replace the sleeves. Got to get a sleeve pour, and I don't know. But, alright. Catch you on the next one. Please subscribe, like, comment, share this video.